No! Ah, I hate this one. No!
Some islanders for their thoughts on the matter. Even if you want to look away,
No.
you just can't. I should probably blog about this.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. For your 8 o'clock news, this is
Help. Why?
signing off.
Help us all.